channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to install Qbasic in Windows step by step. Okay, so let's get started. So Qbasic is an open source software. So to download that, you have to go to this website, and I'm going to give this link to my description. After visiting this website, you have to scroll down a little, and then you have to choose this option. Okay, so here you have to choose your operating system bits, like Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. I'm going to choose Windows 64-bit because I have the operating system of Windows 64-bit only. So you just click over here, your download should start. So here I have already clicked, and as you can see, my download is started. Okay, I'll wait for some time to get it download, and then I'm going to open my download folder from C drive, and then I'm going to install this software. Let me show you how. So now I am in my downloads folder in C drive. So as you can see, the software is downloaded here. Okay, so I need to open it. So this software will open like this, and you just need to open this folder. As you can see, all the components are here, including the setup Qb64.exe. Okay, now it is totally a portable software. Okay, so you just need to do what extraction of this components. So just select all. Okay, right click on this and extract to the specified folder. Okay, now choose a location, like I'm choosing here, and you can create a new folder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder so that I can show you the extraction where I have done, and easily you can open the software. Okay, so I'm just writing QB. Okay, and I'm going to extract my files in this folder only. Okay, so I'm gonna again select it and right click over this, extract to the specified folder. I'm just going to open QB folder. Yeah, the folder is selected. As you can see, the path is mentioned over here. Okay, just click on OK and wait for some time. As it will be over, you can easily access your software. Okay, extraction is over. Now you can see this folder is ready on my desktop. I just need to open this. Okay, so as we can see, the components are extracted here, and we can see this Qb64.exe. This is actually the executable file of your software. Okay, so you open this. As you can see, the window has been opened. Just click on OK and maximize it. Now your window is totally ready for programming. Okay, happy coding. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.